Hello, Thunder Bay. I'd like to thank the citizens of Thunder Bay for all you've done to limit the spread of COVID-19 in our community. Your efforts have been extraordinary, and it has saved lives and allowed us to return to some level of normalcy. We have been recognized nationally by news organizations and other municipalities for the significant efforts we have made to combat the surge we experienced last February. We continue to be one of the most vaccinated jurisdictions in Ontario, with very few cases. Collectively, as a community, we can be very proud of the way we have fought this virus. Unfortunately, we are not out of the woods just yet. The Delta variant has created a great deal of uncertainty around the world, and we are not an exception. We must continue to be vigilant and continue to follow public health guidelines. We still need to protect ourselves, and we still need to protect others. We know that the Delta variant is highly transmissible, and even those who are fully vaccinated can still spread the virus. I should also highlight that someone can have no symptoms and may never get symptoms, but still be spreading the virus. We know that there still exists a part of the eligible population that has not been vaccinated. With school returning and the cool weather bringing people inside, we need to remain cautious this fall. I have always expressed my concern about our hospital's ability to handle a COVID surge and what that means for all of us. The data clearly shows that those who are vaccinated are at a very low risk of being hospitalized and becoming seriously ill. So getting the vaccine clearly helps the hospital and staff who have sacrificed so much for us. I continue to be concerned about our long-term care facilities, other congregate living settings, and daycares. I also want to ensure we are doing everything we can to protect city staff and the public through all of our facilities and services where people closely interact. I've asked for a report from administration on how the corporation will implement the provincial guideline regarding employee vaccinations in health and congregate living settings, and how we can apply those to other frontline positions the city has. Right now, we are seeing a differing approach from various sectors regarding vaccine requirements, and we want to make sure that as a corporation, we are doing all we can to protect our citizens. Additionally, any significant increase in COVID numbers, either across the province or in the city of Thunder Bay, could potentially lead to further shutdowns in our business community. This sector has already sacrificed so much, and I fear the consequences of another shutdown could be dramatic. I know that it has been a very long and strenuous 18 months for all of us, but we must continue to do all we can to limit the spread of the virus, protect our most vulnerable, support our economy, and most importantly, support each other. Everyone wants to get back to doing the things they enjoy and seeing the people they love. I just urge you to do this as safely as possible. We have so many people to thank for moving us through the fight against the virus. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our frontline health workers, first responders, and the many other frontline workers who have directly served the public in a variety of capacities throughout this challenging year and a half. We owe it to them to play our part in limiting the spread of the virus. As I've said before, this is the ultimate team game. Please continue to stay safe and be a part of the Thunder Bay team that has done their part so well and made such a difference in our city. Thank you, and stay safe, Thunder Bay.